Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you how to create a navigation link, a navigation bar using in HTML and CSS for beginners. So first of all, what you need to do this course is just two simple things. You need to have your VS Code installed, your text editor which is VS Code, or Notepad or Sublime Text, and a browser, preferably Chrome browser, Google Chrome browser. So that's what it is. So let's begin with this. So we'll be creating something like this. We're creating a navigation bar like this with logo and the links, and the button, a sign up button and the sign in button. So that's what we'll be creating for now. So first of all, you open to your VS Code. Open to your VS Code. Your VS Code appears to be something like this, and what you have to do is you can close here, and then you can create a folder. You can create a folder here, or the best way to create a folder, the easiest way is you go to File Manager, and go to, maybe let's create it on the desktop. So right click and select new, and select new folder. Let's name it let's name our folder navbar, or let's say yes, navigation bar. Navigation bar, or this one, basic navigation bar. So what you need to do now is we'll open this folder in our VS Code. So go to our VS Code and open the folder. So come to VS Code and click on File and go to Open Folder, and then locate that folder you have created. The folder is inside desktop. So I named it navigation. I saw it now. Navigation, yes, navigation. So you open it up. Alright, good. So we'll be creating our HTML file and our CSS file. So there are three methods of writing CSS, but I'll be using the external CSS, which is the best way to write your CSS file, so that you can store your CSS in a separate folder. So you come to this place, right click here to create your HTML file, select new file and name it index.html. Alright, so with this now we are ready to write our HTML code, and we need the HTML boilerplate. We need to create the HTML boilerplate. We're giving you the shortcut. The shortcut to do it is just so simple. Just press shift on your keyboard and press 1. Then this comes up on your system, then you click enter. So with this now we can write our HTML code. So first of all, we'll rename here. This is a browser. This is the head tag where all our links, where we put all our links, and then anything written on the head tag here does not appear on the browser except the title. The title is used to set a browser tab. So we'll name here navigation bar. Navigation bar, and then remember to save it. Ctrl S to save it. So to run your code on the browser, what you just need to do is click and right click here, do copy paths, and open up a browser on your system. Yeah, definitely we are going to be creating something like this. So let me open a new tab and paste it. Good, you can see that there's nothing actually on the page now. There's nothing showing on the page except the title. So the title is used to set the title tag is used to set the title or the title tag is used to set the title for the browser tab. So you just have to note that. Then let's go back to our code and continue. Alright, so having done that, we'll be starting to use the nav tag. Using the nav tag, and we'll give it a class name of navbar. Then inside the navbar we have div where we can put all of our code. then we'll name it navdiv. So we give it a class name of navdiv. Alright, so give it a class name of navdiv. Then we want to create the logo, so we have to put the logo inside a div. So open a div, open another div, and give it a class name of logo. Then here we'll insert our logo. We can either insert images or we can insert text. So for now, I'll be using text. In my next video, we'll be working on a bigger project where we'll use a real logo, a company's logo. Okay, so for now, let me just name it link tech. Let's say link tech at the logo. So here I'll be creating the list. So this our logo is supposed to be inside an anchor tag. So here's what I will do. I will cut this because the logo is supposed to be a link, so that while clicking on the logo, something can happen. Maybe we can do it that when you click on the logo, it should take you to the home page. So we're gonna cut this and then put it inside the link. We'll put hashtag here so that the page doesn't take us anywhere for now. Then paste this here. Then you have this. Alright, so we'll continue. So we'll be making our lists, our anchor links using lists on ordered lists. We know we have ordered lists and unordered lists. Unordered lists are numbered lists, while unordered lists are not numbered. Alright, so CUL, inside our UL we'll have our list, and our list will put it inside the link, inside an anchor link. So say A, then this hashtag, say home. So I'm gonna duplicate this. You can just copy it, then come to this last line and paste it. Alright, so here we'll change it to about us. Change it to our services. Okay, services, and change it to, let's say, a contact us. Alright, so here we'll put a button to click using the button tag. So the button tag, we're actually going to make it a link. Yes, so have a link inside it, and put this, and then the button is going to be sign up, and another button for signing. Alright, let's save it and see what you have written. Alright, so okay, alright, so this is how our page is looking right now. So we are going to use CSS to style it to look exactly something like this, and at the end of the course you can be able to restyle your own so that it will appear the way you want it to be, right? Alright, so let us add the CSS. Like I said before, we'll be using external CSS. Alright, so let us create our CSS file here, new file, and let me start the CSS. So we need to link our CSS to our HTML so that the styling can take effect. So we'll say link style sheets. Good. Alright, so we'll start by styling this one, styling our navbar one after the other.